What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be customizing this Sur Ron seat. Sur Ron, Segway, they're both very similar seats, and this will actually apply to any dirt bike seat. I already have the cover removed from this seat, but if you want to see how to do that, you can check out the video I made over here. So today on this seat, what we're going to be doing is just adding foam to this main top sitting area and maybe some gel, not on the whole part, only in a section of it. This is my buddy's seat, and he actually special requested that. On my seat, what I did is actually carve into the foam about the thickness of a gel piece, covered it with foam all the way around the seat, and then cut it. But what happened is the seat became a little bit too fat. My friend doesn't want to do that, so we're only going to do the top. Also, our material finally arrived. It's a quilted carbon fiber. Fancy, I know. Anyways, it has a little bit of more foam backing over here. It's not the craziest for the seat, but it actually adds just a little bit of padding to feather everything nicely together. So we're gonna be using that today. It's actually pretty nice material. Let's get started. Okay, so I already pre-cut a piece of foam that will go about there, and I kind of tapered it as much as I could just to kind of make it sit nicer. This way we're gonna keep that nice thin sleek profile that the seat has. Also, we're gonna be adding this piece of gel right here, maybe somewhere around the back area. That way it will create some sort of a front pocket when you attack the bike on the front, which should be nice. I mean, that's what my friend wanted, and that's what he's gonna get. All right, I'm gonna be using this. This is actually for like studio foam, recording studio foam. Works beautiful. Try to like center this. This is just so I can get a general area of where to glue. This stuff glues pretty quick, so let's get it right. That worked out pretty well. Well, let's give it a few minutes or so, and we'll be back. All right, that looks dry. Now let's get that gel. Again, like I said, he did not want a whole piece. He wanted a smaller piece. Once you put this on, man, this is comfortable, but this is super comfortable. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. Comfortable. Super comfortable. Let's mark that. All right, that should be good. While that dries, let's cut some of the fabric. What I'm trying to achieve here is have the point of a diamond be right at the center top. And that's what we need to do. All right, so now what we pretty much have is a super rough cut. Yeah, we still have to trim it a little bit more, but it's a super rough cut of our cover. Yeah, this material is really nice. What I'm doing now is marking the areas where I'm going to be applying glue to help me hold this in place. Gonna let that dry for a second, settle. Let's get the gun going. All right, so we have the glue here just to help the nail, but let's just line this up. Hold it really tight. All right, now the back piece. Perfect. Beautiful. I was just marking the edges, so now we can trim some of that stuff. And then I was using some foam pieces over here so I don't damage the material. But it's already looking smooth. Well, let's see. All the staples are in. I put definitely enough. Now we just gotta trim this off all around and we'll be done. Got a fresh blade. That's the reason also why I like the glue. Some people say it's unnecessary. I like it. I think it adds extra support, especially when you trim this off. Sometimes it can get a little shady. So much easier when you have a fresh blade. Final piece. Now, one thing to note, since this is kind of like, I guess, leathery type material, it doesn't stretch like the Sur Ron seat does or other materials. So there will be some of these folds or whatever you call them, but that's just natural and it actually looks nice. Now, this gives it a little bit of I guess, a cafe racery type vibe, and some people like it. I like it. Let's see how it turned out, right? This is what we did. This is our new, updated, upgraded, customized Sur Ron seat, Segway seat, any dirt bike seat. So we did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Maybe we should throw it on the bike and see, huh? What do you guys say? I think we should do that. Turned out pretty nice. We kept it thin, sleek design of the Sur Ron. And we have ourselves a custom seat without any annoying logos. Now, before we throw it on the bike and see what it looks like, what are you guys thinking about this? Did you like it? If you did, please consider liking, subscribing to the channel. We're going to have a lot more videos like this, Sur Ron exploring videos, and much more. So if you did enjoy this, leave a comment. What do you guys think about this seat? Do you think it's worth doing? Or would you just buy an upgraded seat? I have a raised battery. My buddy has a raised battery. The MX style seat does not work for us. Until somebody comes up with a solution, as far as I'm concerned, this is the best way to go. Alright guys, well that does it for this seat. Another one done. Now let's see what it looks like on the bike. But it's peace out for me, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Yo, Tom, what it do?